Well, Marshall, welcome to the evolution in our product line. hyperCLEAN STAK is here. Rapid ceramic coating. What is it?
Well, there's so much misconception around in coatings to, hey, curiosity of what this, could I do that? Absolutely, you want to get more information right now on hyperCLEAN STAK ceramic coating because, right, if you want simple, the most simple application there is, with long-lasting results, seems to be what people, when they think ceramic coatings, I want simple application with long-lasting results.
Let's use another word, versatility. Who's this for? If you don't have a ceramic coating on your car, it's for you. If you have a ceramic coating on your car, it's for you. If you have paint protection film, it's for you. If you have windshield protection film, it's for you. If you have a vinyl wrap, it's for you. This is a flexible coating. What that means is it can bond to anything. Okay, that isn't the case for every single ceramic coating. Some get pretty finicky. This is a rapid ceramic coating. It came out of our mind just like this. We released Sparta. We have a 5-year ceramic coating. We know that people want their 5-year ceramic coating to be maintained. What did we need? That was the basis of this product. Okay, then we found, wow, looks great as a standalone, works really well. Oh wow, works on paint protection film. Wow, it works on glass. Wow, it works on trim. And now STAK is born. We want everybody to understand this is a huge evolution for us. You'll notice, comes in a metal bottle. This is not a spray sealant. This is a true ceramic coating. When you open it up, you're gonna smell a traditional ceramic coating with all kinds of new technology. And I think let's touch on maintaining a ceramic coating with this. If you have a ceramic coating, it starts to get some weak spots, whatever, you stack it with STAK, which is where the name comes from. It's gonna start filling in those weak points and bonding with the surface, the ceramic coating that's already there. That's my favorite part of the product.
Yeah, no matter whose, or it's got to be from our lineup.
No matter,
we're going to go put on.
We have tried it on a bunch of the leading ceramic coatings. We've sent it out to testers. We've sent it out to people we know. We have tested this on any surface and it's worked. And so I think today is a big day for us launching this product, but I think the next years to come, this is going to be a product a lot of you are going to want to get involved with.
Absolutely, because a question that a lot of people, which is why we say there's this cloud of misconception a lot of times. There is a misconception on maintenance, right? Maintaining a coating. How do I do it? How often should I maintain it, right? Having this in an arsenal, whether I'm in the garage, whether I'm in a car, whether I'm a pro or I'd like to do it on my own, having something that I can go in and reinforce whatever protection I've done in the past and continue to stack up as I see fit, right? We're gonna say 6 to 9 months up to a year, but hey, listen, if I'm a guy that loves to go out the way people used to love to go wax my car, right?
Sure,
like,
fits
hey,
perfect.
This does fit perfect because as they'll see, 15 to 20 minutes, and I've got a ceramic coating on my vehicle. And when I say ceramic coating, we mean
ceramic coating.
Solvent-based ceramic coating.
So let's get into the application. He says 15 to 20, that's Tulsa time. In Vegas, we're getting this on a car in 10 minutes. Most of you are going to be able to do it in 10 minutes. As Marty knows, we're just having a little fun.
Hey, so, I'm living on Tulsa time. We've done some couple movie quotes as we've been doing the video.
How are we going to get started? Well, I'm going to probably give about 3 to 4 sprays, okay, just because this is a new pad, and then 2 quick sprays. Because I have such a big hood here, you're going to see, Marty, just take where I'm at here and follow along. Now, the purpose of this coating being flexible is I don't want guys to get worried like they would with a 5-year coating, right? Get this on the surface, do it with some speed, okay? Not in a rush, it's a difference. Spread it around, and now I'm gonna let it flash, okay? And one of the things I want to talk about with our flash is that we kept a consistency here. The consistency that we kept is that you're going to see sweat beads. Let me get some more STAK. Now you're going to watch something here, guys. I don't want to do the front bumper because it's not good in front of the camera. I'm going to
Unless you like looking at Nick, you know.
Yeah, exactly. We do get some inappropriate comments on YouTube. I'm just going to go right into the glass. Okay. works on all surfaces, okay? One of the things that I want people to see is I'm not overly concerned about the hood that I laid because I want to let it sweat. I'm going to lay it on the dry side. I'm going to take our Versatile, okay? Starting to see some sweat beads here, Marty. So guess what? We're ready to go. And nice, even swipes. And notice, I don't have a leveler. I don't have a leveling towel. I flip it over. Just give it a quick buff. And that spot is done. And look, we still have coating on the glass. It's sweating.
Yeah, I do want to say what you did say, even though we didn't touch here, when we flip our towel and come over for that final wipe, I want to make sure I come all the way across.
Yep. So we now go ahead, and I've already wiped. This is my buffing step. So come over a little farther with your buffing step just to make sure I didn't drag any of your coating towards me. We got that handled. Marty, let's go ahead and lay the roof. Marty keeps stealing my bottle. Now, the roof's a little bit bigger, right? And I want to make sure I do my whole half. So while we got away with a couple sprays here, I got more real estate, plus I got a sunroof here. So I'm probably going 4 sprays, okay? Because it's such a large roof. I mean, you might have to go more if you're like on a Range Rover roof or Expedition or any of those types of things. One of the things with this, you know, is it's just about getting it on there nice and thin, nice and easy. We even have a back piece here, Marty. I'm going to go all the way to the back glass, FYI. Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and hit this glass too.
Yeah, I'm just going right over. So go right over the sunroof, right over the sunroof trim. Okay, we got black piano trim. I'm actually going to come down here, cut the roof off, and I'm going to do the pillar all the way down because I got a little extra product to that body line. I'm going to go actually down, cut it off on the hood body line, and now I have a lot of coating on different surfaces. If I still feel I have some extra, guess what I'm going to go do? I'm going to stick it right on the side window. Okay, that way I can stay organized. But look, I got the B pillar, the back window. Okay, I'm starting to run a little low on product. I'm going to go ahead and set this down, dry side down. Starting to see nice sweat up here. And guess what? It's leveling time. And I'm just going in, nice long strokes. Hopefully everybody, I know sometimes on camera it's tough to pick up just how easy this is. But like I said, when you lay it down, when you smell it, when you see what we've done, you're gonna know it's a coating. But I don't want you guys to get nervous and wipe it really quick, okay? Because for those of you that maybe this may be the first coating product you'll use, you wanna see it sweat, okay? You wanna let it sweat. That way it's leaving coating behind because that's solvents being released. When they get released, they're leaving behind the protection. Okay, what'll happen is some of you guys that'll remove it too quick, and look, we've been guilty, right? You just kind of get in a hurry a little bit. One of the things you'll notice in that situation is it'll kind of be grabby, right? You'll be like, oh, this is a grabby coating. It's not a grabby coating at all. It's very, very slick. So if you're getting heavy grab, you're leveling it, you're doing it too fast, and you're picking up all the good stuff and it's starting to grab your towel. So if you start to feel that grabbiness, one of the tips we can give is just wait a little bit more, let it sweat a little bit more. And because we did such a big piece here, you'll notice Marty and I are real big on just a quick go over. I've done a lot of work here. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go over the glass. man, in no time, we've done a bunch of this car. Okay, I mean, we would have had the whole front end done. Like I said, it's not great for the camera to do the front bumper. But, I mean, you can have this car done, maybe you're a little bit more accurate, 15, 20 minutes. And if you have a coating, which this car does, by the way, this car already has an existing coating on it. This is going to reinforce that coating, bring back a little more gloss, little more shine. The only thing we did to prep this, let's go over that. Washed it with cleanse, iron decon, right into coating, right into stack. Couldn't be simpler. Even if you don't have ceramic, you can prep the exact same way. It's gonna bond to your clear coat. If you have to clay because you have other contamination, go ahead and do that. Pop this on. Standalone protection, anywhere from 7 to 10 months, 6 to 9 months. We see it all over the map. We see people getting upwards to a year as a standalone. For a coating maintenance, you're not really looking for this insane durability. You're looking for it to reinforce, but it is definitely going to last till your next maintenance. This on my personal cars, I'm doing it about every 6 months. I have coatings on. Why? Because I can, because I want to, makes me feel better. You know, we're not an advocate of you got to set an exact date. It's going to last only 9 months. There's people that take such good care of their cars, man. This could be a standalone for them for life, right? And so we want to be the people that tell you exactly how it is. Very easily 9 months or more of protection. Standalone, I think for most coating people, you're going to put this on your coating and you're going to be happy for the next year.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of people that are asking, what's it realistic that, ceramic coating is going to last? Is ceramic coating for me?
Yeah.
Right? Is hyperCLEAN STAK for me? Hey, is hyperCLEAN STAK for you? Who are you? Right? There's people that, as we talked about, love to go out and do it themselves. Take care of their own cars.
Yep.
There's people that like to do that professionally for other people.
Yep.
Which one is it for?
Both. And I think one thing to say about Stack is if you are somebody that's nervous about your jump into ceramic coatings, this is the product for you. It used to be Uno for us. We'd always tell people, hey, jump into Uno. We've now even made it easier because we still had people a little timid about making a jump, especially a lot of DIYers are like, I've always waxed my car. I've always put on a sealant. This is a great first product, right? You can work much smaller sections than we just did here and get yourself comfortable. This, I mean, if you even leave a high spot, guys, you grab a little edge of a towel, tiny bit of polish in you, give it like this, it's going to come off. It's very flexible.
Key that it does high spot.
It's a ceramic coating. It's not a spray sealant. That's a big difference, and I'm glad you brought this up. If a company says they have a product that doesn't high spot, it's not a ceramic coating. And here's a very easy way to think about it. Ceramic coating hardens, spray sealants don't. So if somebody says you can come back 3 hours later and wipe it off, or 6 days later, that's a spray sealant, and they have a place. We have spray sealants in our lineup. Spray sealants are awesome. They're not ceramic coating. This is a true ceramic coating, and if it comes in a plastic bottle and not glass or metal, you can bet it's a spray sealant, not a ceramic coating. And so I am so excited for Stack. I hope everyone else is. And as we get this out into the market, we have a bunch of high-level shops that have already tested and basically said, guys, get this to me as I can. This is one of the things, DIY, pro, beginner, advanced, doesn't matter, this product fits you.
Absolutely. Hey, go support American-made manufacturing. hypercleanstore.com. Get some Stack today.